Hi, I'm Audi, a mechanical design engineer with over 15 years of experience in 2D and 3D CAD modeling, manufacturing, and 3D printing. With a 100% job success score and 414 total jobs and 3,587 total hours on Upwork, I've worked with clients across industries to deliver fast, reliable, and high-quality results. I can help you to remodel and make all parts for 3D CAD and 2D CAD. I will make it faster and accurate like as your request and on schedule. I can make 3D CAD and 2D CAD from your picture or sketch or 3D scanned. I can remodel, convert your files from IGS, IGES, STEP, STP, STL format, 2D PDF, CorelDRAW, Adobe Illustrator, SketchUp, etc. I can design and draft your PDF or JPEG files. I have experiences in injection mold, sheet metal, and fabrication, exterior and interior for housing and office layout, laser cutting and wire cutting, DXF, graphic design. I will do it faster, one-day service, as your request. I can help you to finish your project. I am ready for long-term project and full-time project and can sign NDA project. I'm fluent in English and Indonesian, so communicate